Hello and good evening. My name is Gaurav, founder of Nestle Technologies. Today we are going to see what is the best alternative for eDraw mind map software. And I was trying to search more alternatives of eDraw, but whatever I could find out were either paid one or had lot of limitation. First, let me tell you why I wanted to shift from eDraw as a free tool. सीधा चलते हैं स्क्रीन पे. Let's see. अब ई ड्रॉ के साथ क्या चैलेंज है. मान लीजिए कि हम एक माइंड मैप चूज करते हैं और जैसे ही हमने इसको चूज किया, डबल क्लिक किया, यहाँ माइंड मैप आ गया है. अब मान लीजिए कि इसे मुझे प्रेजेंट करना है, इस माइंड मैप को प्रेजेंट करना है. तो फाइल पे जा रहा हूँ मैं और इसे इधर सेव एज कर रहा हूँ पीडीएफ या फिर एक्सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ एज अ इमेज. बोथ केसेस, इन बोथ द केसेस लेट्स से आई एम एक्सपोर्टिंग इट एज अ png file. When you click on save, all the settings are here. यहाँ पे आपको पूछ रहा है कि you have to upgrade it, and if you are not upgrading it, you are saying in which way let us export it. So this is the exported file. क्या चैलेंज है आप समझ में आ रहा है. वाटर मार्क्ड है कंप्लीटली और इतने बड़े बड़े वाटर मार्क है. चाहे आप एक्सपोर्ट कीजिए चाहे सेव कीजिए, तो ये एक चैलेंज था. सो व्हाट आई डिड सम रिसर्च एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई एम recommending you. Mind maps commonly educational institutes, educators and online tutors, teachers commonly use करते हैं इसको, and organizations also use for various kind of activities like brainstorming and all. So here we have one more tool and its name is Gitmind. The tool's name is Gitmind. I'll give the link in the description. What you have to do is just go and download it, and once you download it, something like this will come. Just log in from your Gmail ID. No need to upgrade it, and come to templates. If you want to have templates directly, you can use multiple templates are there. Let's say I'm using, just take for example, I'm going to use this verb types. I'm using this template. Just one second. So when I'm using this, I'll just go ahead and delete it. You click on it, press tab, sub branch will open. Let's say XYZ, and then again click on this tab. One more branch will open. You can also bring this branch here. Just ABC. Bring it here, right? It will come this way. Want to branch it out from here, again press a tab. Want to branch it out from here, press a tab. Once you click minus and minus, it goes inside, right? It's very simple. Now why I'm showing you this, uh, is similar to that of eDraw, but the advantage it has is, let's say I'm going to export it. I'm going to export it as a PDF. Just click on export on the desktop, verb types, save. Now here it is, verb types, no watermark, nothing. Easy to use, isn't it? So I recommend Gitmind to all of you. Like I prepared one of this, so can be done easily through it, right? See you soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Signing off, Gaurav Kumar. Back to meeting.